Advance congrats. Thank you. May pangbayad na ako ng upa. I have a pay, kuya, to my apartment. Dancing pace of right. What's that? You want me to dance again? Hi, Popeye. Wala ka dito ata yung nag-dance ako ng water eh. No, that's fine. Want me to dance, ha? Oh my God. Give me time. Riz, dito ka ba, Riz, nung sumayaw ako? Oh my God, thank you, kuya. Hi, Faze, hello. Wait. Give me now. Wait, I can touch. Wait. Oh my God. Wala na, sumayaw na ako eh. Wala, naglalag yung cellphone ko. Hindi ako makatype. I'll type later, ha? Nag-glitch siya. Thank you, kuya. Oh my God. Hindi ako makatype. Nakakainis. Nagaganon siya eh. Kanina pa kasi pag mainit na to. Sasayaw na lang kita ng bigo glitchy. Now, my cellphone is the problem. Gustong masayaw mo para makabayad ako sa'yo ng water. Yung kay Tyla. Make me sweat. Make me harder. Let me translate into English to all the English viewers. Okay. True risk. Make me lose my breath. Make me water. Hey, Aki. Oh my God, a little bit more. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. She said we're... Oh my God! Ano yun? Ano yan, kuya? Oh my... Hi, Popeye! Hello. Okay, I'll follow back you. Gagi. Make me lose my breath. Ano nga? Ano, kuya? Sasayawan kita or hindi? You want me to dance or not? Hello, ZK. Hello. Follow me, everyone. Oh my God, 10K. Kunti na lang. Bilis ka ako. Later, up to you po. Yes po, new host po. Follow kita. Thank you. Sige na nga, sayaw mo na nga kita. Alam ko gusto mo naman eh. Sige kuya, wait lang.